Hello students, hope you all are fine. This is my first video of chapter 3, Tables in MS Word. What is table? The method of presenting data in a format of rows and column is known as table. Now what is row? Row is the horizontal arrangement of data in a table, whereas the column is a vertical arrangement of data. It contains row and column. And what is a cell? Cell, intersection of row and column is known as cell. Now how to create a table in MS Word. First we have to click on Start button to open Microsoft Office, then All Programs, then go to Microsoft Office. Now from this Office suite, select Microsoft Word to create a table. Now this is a Word document. In this we will create a table. Click on Insert tab. Go to Table option. Then click on Insert Table. This box shows that how much number of columns we want and how much number of rows we want. Now we will going to create a table of 5 columns and 5 rows. After that, click on OK option. Our table is created. Now we can also change its design by clicking on Design tab. First select the table, click on a table, then go to Design tab. Here is ready-made designs are for a table. It's a list of designs. We can select any one design for our table. After selecting design, we will apply border to our table. Go to border option. Select any border style which you want to select. I will select all borders. Now our format is ready. Now next step is to enter data in table. Click on cell where you want to enter the data. Now how to move in Excel? By clicking on Tab key or use 4 arrow keys, which are also known as cursor control keys. Now we have to go downside, so we can also select Enter key to go downside. Same as we can fill a table up to end. Come to next topic, how to insert column or a row. If we need any extra row or a column for our table, we can add very easily by clicking on a row where we want to insert. Insert rows above, insert rows below. If we need a row upside, we can go to insert row above. Row is inserted at the upper side. Now we need a column. We can also insert a column at the right side or at the left side. Insert column to the right, insert column to the left. We need insert column at the right side. A new column is also inserted. This way we can insert extra row as well as extra column also. In next video I will explain merging cells and splitting cells. Till that, take care, and if you need any help, any query is there, then you can feel freely to type in comment box.